Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use a car lift service ramp on the front side of your Suzuki Swift. Okay, slide the car lift service ramp in one line with the front wheel of the front Suzuki, and take care that the line is matches on both sides. And now you are able to lift up your car, start the engine, and slowly and smooth and gentle drive on top of the car lift service ramps. And take care, do not drop the car. Slowly shift to gear 1 and accelerate a little bit until you reach the top of the service ramps. A little bit more, please. A little bit more. And go. Gentle and stop. Good job. Easy as you can see. Good job. Really good job. Now support the rear wheels with some wood edges or some supported stands. That's impossible. Not impossible. That's important. That's really possible. And now shift to gear 1 and pull the handbrake to support your car. Now you have 3 options of supporting, and all of the 3 options are good for your safety under the car. Okay, first shift, second handbrake, and the third is the support edges. Now you are able to walk under the car. Okay, now let's bring back the car on earth again. First step, remove the support edges. After this, start your engine and shift to the rear and drive smooth and gentle down to the ground again. Smooth and gentle, easy as you can see. Come on, man. Shift and drive. Do not flash. Shift a little bit and drive smooth and gentle down off the service ramps. Yeah, Hey, we are waiting for you. Okay, now it starts. Smooth and gentle. Smooth and gentle. Good job. Now we are back on Earth again. Job's done. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time again. Woo! Soon.